Imagine this. One silent night, the planets of our solar system begin to drift ever so slightly out of their orbits. The Sun wobbles, Jupiter shifts, and Earth, our fragile home, feels an invisible tug from the dark. No alien invasion, no asteroid strike, but the approach of something far more terrifying: a black hole. What would happen if one of these cosmic predators passed through our solar system? For over 35 years, I've studied the skies, guided spacecraft, and watched the dance of planets. The solar system feels stable, predictable, like a grand clockwork. But what if something disrupted that balance? A black hole is the perfect disruptor. It doesn't need to scream. It doesn't shine. It doesn't announce its arrival. It moves silently, cloaked in darkness, revealed only when its gravity betrays it. Astronomers call them rogue black holes wandering through the galaxy after being kicked away from their birthplaces in stellar collisions. Some estimates suggest there could be 100 million such nomads roaming the Milky Way. So the question is not if, but when one might cross paths with us. Gravity is a gentle tyrant. The Sun's gravity binds the planets in their orbits. Earth's gravity holds our oceans, our air, even us, to the ground. But a black hole, though invisible, is simply mass compressed into an infinitesimal point, and its gravity is absolute. If a black hole the size of our Sun wandered near us, it would outweigh and outpull everything in reach. And unlike a star, it gives no warning glow. From a distance, our solar system would not notice much. But as the intruder approached billions of miles away, the first tremors would be felt. Tiny orbital changes, gas giants wobbling, asteroids nudged from their belts. The solar system's music would begin to lose its harmony. Now imagine Earth. At first, days and nights pass as normal. The skies look unchanged. But slowly, imperceptibly, our orbit begins to shift. One of two fates awaits us. Capture, Earth might be ripped from the Sun's orbit, enslaved by the black hole's gravity. We'd wander into the darkness, leaving the warmth of the Sun behind. Oceans would freeze. Atmosphere would collapse. Life, as we know it, extinguished. Destruction. If Earth drifted too close, tidal forces would stretch our planet like clay. Mountains would crumble. Continents would tear apart. Finally, Earth would be pulled into the abyss, spaghettified into atomic threads. From the perspective of the cosmos, it would be silent. No explosion. No drama. Just disappearance. You may ask, could we see it coming? The truth is unsettling. Rogue black holes do not emit light, but astronomers detect them indirectly by how they bend starlight behind them. Gravitational lensing. Like glass distorting an image, the presence of an invisible mass can be revealed. In 2022, scientists announced they had measured a lone black hole wandering 5,000 light-years away, one of the closest we've ever found. That's both terrifying and reassuring. It shows we can detect them, but also that they exist, silently moving, unseen for billions of years. There's another twist. Such a black hole carried an accretion, disked dust, and gas heated as it spirals inward. It might blaze with X-rays. Our telescopes would spot it, but if it were cold, starless, wandering, it would remain invisible until too late. Here's where the mysteries deepen. Primordial black holes. Some scientists suspect that in the chaos after the Big Bang, miniature black holes formed. These could still wander today, some no bigger than mountains, but as heavy as Earth. Imagine such a relic drifting near us. The Oort Cloud connection. At the far edges of our solar system lies the Oort Cloud, a vast halo of icy bodies. If a black hole passed through it, it could scatter comets inward. Earth might not be swallowed directly, but bombarded by a hail of comets for centuries. Phantom encounters. Some astronomers speculate that unexplained orbital wobbles of distant objects, like the mysterious Planet 9, could in fact be evidence of a lurking black hole ready in our cosmic backyard. If a black hole crossed our path, there's little we could do. No weapon, no technology, no defense. It would remind us of a truth often forgotten. We are fragile passengers in a cosmic sea. Our lives, our histories, our civilizations, all balanced on invisible threads of gravity. And yet, that fragility is what makes us precious. Every sunrise, every heartbeat, every story we tell exists in defiance of cosmic oblivion. Perhaps the black hole is not only a threat, but a teacher. It tells us that permanence is an illusion, and that wonder lies not in control, but in acceptance of the mystery. So, what if a black hole passed through our solar system? Maybe it would destroy us. Maybe it would fling us into the darkness. Or maybe it already has passed before, scattering comets, nudging planets, shaping history in ways we cannot yet see. The truth is both frightening and humbling. The universe is not built for our safety. It is built for mystery. And perhaps the most important thing we can do is to keep exploring, to ask, to wonder, to never stop looking into the dark. If this journey stirred your imagination, if the thought of black holes leaves you in awe as much as in fear, join us. Subscribe to Black Hole Secrets, where together we'll keep venturing beyond the event horizon, into the mysteries that define our universe. Because the cosmos is not done telling its story.